Fibroids are non-cancerous growths that develops in or around the uterus. They can range in size from a tiny seed to as big as a grapefruit. Fibroids are quite common, with up to 80% of women developing them at the age of 50 or above. The exact cause of fibroid is unknown, but risk factors such as age, family history, and obesity can increase the chances of developing fibroid. As such, regular exercise and healthy diets can reduce the chances of developing fibroid. Symptoms may include heavy menstrual bleeding, frequent urination, pelvic pain, and constipation. Treatment options may include medications, non-invasive procedures, or surgeries depending on the severity of the conditions. Thanks for watching. If you have questions, please leave it in the comment section below. Please like, share, and subscribe, and don't forget to watch our previous videos.